Need to help customers find what they are looking for fast on your website or knowledge base? In this video, we'll show you how to use search data to improve the search experience. Search analytics are a critical source of insights. Let's take a look at top queries first. Top queries indicate what's trending on your site. If you join top queries with user geography or segmentation data, you can use this information to personalize your merchandising or knowledge base articles, or to create targeted marketing campaigns or sales strategies. But top queries only reveal the first step in a user search journey. Queries with no results or no clicks indicate that your customers are having difficulty finding what they want, either because you have a product or content gap, or because you need to tune your relevancy model with synonyms for promoted search results. With Elastic Enterprise Search, these search analytics are available out of the box. You can also enrich and transform analytics in Elastic. For example, you can resolve IP addresses to locate audiences or generate vectors using a machine learning trained model, your own or one imported with Hugging Face. Then you can display search analytics by building dashboards and visualizations using Kibana, which comes ready to use with Elastic's platform. These dashboards can be shared across your organization too. You can create CSV files to extract raw data or share PDF files. You can even integrate Elastic with third-party analytics tools like Tableau with the ODBC connector. In this video, we showed how search analytics in Elastic Enterprise Search can be used to improve search experiences. Now it's your turn. Download a free cloud trial of Elastic Enterprise Search to get started today.